Hello my friends, welcome to a new video and a new free indicator. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. Let us see our new indicator together in the first part and take 2 successful signals. This indicator is completely different from any indicator we presented before. The end of 5 minutes, as you continue in front of you, when the arrow appears in the downward or upward trend, we enter the signal and you will see now. Watch the video to the end to know the prize that we have allocated to 5 people of our followers, and you could be one of them. Leave your opinion in the comments on the new music. Is it suitable for you? I want you to have fun with me. We do a lot for you, so like the video, subscribe to the channel, and contact us on the Telegram to get the indicator. It is free as before. And now I will leave you with this wonderful music and watch together the signal and it succeed as usual, and do not forget the indicator is free. I will leave it to you below the video, and also you can contact us on the Telegram channel that will appear in front of you to get it easily. Don't worry, my dear, you will go strong now, and you will succeed, and we will take another signal, just watch. And now we have taken another signal, but do not forget, my dear, the way to work, a 1 minute frame, the expiration date of 5 minutes, as you can see. Dear, we make a lot of effort in programming the indicators and providing them to you for free, so please subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to support us in providing more, and do not forget to contact us to get the indicator for free. If you reach here, this means that you are one of our distinguished followers, and to get the prize that we allocated, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends on social media, take a screenshot and send it to us on Telegram, leave a comment and write "waiting for the prize." We will choose 5 people randomly in a live broadcast. Each person will earn $100. As you can see, the signal succeeded with full force. Do not forget, dear, to like the video, leave us a comment, and wait for part 2.